LG Q6 has a 5.5-inch, 1080 by 2160 resolution display, with 442 ppi. At the bottom of the display there has LG logo. The device is about 142.5mm length, 69.3mm width, and 8.1mm thin. It's about 149 grams. It has also a great build quality. The volume buttons are on left side. The 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, USB-C port are located at bottom. The primary camera of LG Q6 is about 13 megapixel with LED flash. It's capable of recording 1080p video at 30 frames per second. That primary camera is 4128 by 3095 pixel. The secondary camera is about 5 megapixel, and it's also capable of recording 1080p video. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 octa-core processor, with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. You can expand storage up to 256 GB with microSD card. LG Q6 run with Android 7.1.1. It has non-removable 3000 mAh battery.